Tonight, a judge is considering the case against Merrimack County Sheriff Scott Hilliard, who was on trial today for DUI after police say he drove drunk last summer. The trial happened in Nashua to avoid conflict in Merrimack County, where Hilliard is still acting as sheriff. WMUR's Jessica Moran is live outside the court there. Jess.
Well, a large portion of the day was really spent arguing whether or not police should have sought an arrest warrant, and a judge ruled in favor of the defense, saying it was an unlawful arrest because police didn't at least try to get that arrest warrant. So now that means all of the evidence acquired after the arrest, that will be dismissed. Scott Hilliard was arrested back in August in Tilton at a 99 restaurant after a concerned driver called police about a car swerving in the road. Police say when they got to the restaurant parking lot, they saw the car and Mr. Hilliard walking towards the car with takeout food in his hand. The defense argued police should have sought an arrest warrant because they didn't actually see Mr. Hilliard drive the car. Police spoke about the possibility of the blood metabolizing during that time to get the warrant and the difficulty to get one from a justice of the peace after business hours. They also said Mr. Hilliard's eyes were glossy and bloodshot, his speech was slurred, and he was swaying, and they could smell alcohol on him. Also that they found an alcoholic beverage in the center console and that a breathalyzer showed his blood alcohol content to be .216, well over the legal limit.
Nobody even tried to determine how feasible it was to get a warrant. They didn't call a judge. They didn't call a justice of the peace. They didn't call dispatch to get a list.
The public policy that this is creating is that any time that a sober party is available to come pick up a drunk driver, that person should be let go or detained, or some set of facts should occur that is not supported by the New Hampshire case law.
And now the trial is scheduled to continue on January 14th. In Nashua, Jessica Moran, WMUR News 9.